Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding where #div/0 appears and why. Look at the formula bar. Note which cell is the divisor. Once done, inspect upstream cells for zeros, blanks, or formulas returning empty strings. These are the usual culprits. Make sure to decide the desired outcome. Correct the input data, prevent division by 0, or display a friendly message. This first step sets the direction. You cannot reliably fix formulas until you know whether the divisor should be non-zero, replaced, or handled gracefully. Now, implement defensive logic in the formula. Replace direct division with if, divisor equals 0, alternate, numerator/divisor, or wrap with iferer, numerator/divisor, alternate, depending on whether you want to catch other errors. Once applied, test both 0 and non-zero divisors to confirm correct behavior. Make sure to choose sensible alternates, 0, blank, or explanatory text, so downstream calculations remain accurate. Also, prefer explicit checks for 0 when you only want to avoid division by 0. Finish by auditing related inputs and documenting your fixes. Check named ranges, external links, and data validation to prevent zeros from creeping back in. Once done, use trace precedents and evaluate formula to step through any stubborn cases. This reveals hidden zeros or blanks. If something still shows #div/0, make sure the divisor isn't calculated as an empty string or text. Convert to numeric or adjust the source formula. One key tip: reproduce the error in a test cell while changing the divisor to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.